how would you describe, big picture-wise, where we are in society today, at what point in time we would be in comparison to the 1918 outbreak?
Well, on the one hand, historians don't like to predict, but unfortunately, I'd say we're still pretty early in this. It's the first couple of rounds. Sorry about
no worries
that.
There. That's okay. I think our viewers have a lot of patience these days. We're all learning these different video devices. Let me ask you then this question. The issue of reopening the economy, this was an issue back then. I mean, in some ways, some of the issues that politicians ran into in 1918, 1919 are the same things we're seeing play out now. I mean, the more things change, the more they stay the same.
Well, that's exactly right. The biggest, God, I'm so sorry.
That's all right there. I get it. Let me let you get one more shot at that. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. No, this is probably the worst interview I've ever had. Really apologize for that because I forgot the question. Trying to turn the phone off.
All right. We will start it over. Essentially, some of the